Could vision help you see opportunities others miss? Vision expands perception. You begin to notice patterns and possibilities others overlook. A clear vision attracts collaboration. People align with those who know where they are going. Vision converts chaos into direction. It helps you filter distractions and focus on meaningful opportunities. Are you using time management to create space for strategy? Business block strategy. Without managing time, you stay trapped in daily tasks. Focus time creates clarity. Strategic thinking needs quiet space to grow. Time discipline multiplies impact. Small, consistent actions build powerful results. What happens when acceptance dissolves inner resistance? Energy stops fighting reality. When resistance drops, creativity increases. Acceptance unlocks emotional freedom. You move from frustration to possibility. Clarity improves decision making. Accepting what is what helps you act wisely. Could your legacy mindset change how you make decisions today? Legacy thinking expands time horizon. Decisions become long term rather than impulsive. Purpose becomes stronger than profit. Meaningful impact guides actions. You build systems, not just results. Legacy leaders create structures that last. What if expansion thinking attracts bigger opportunities? Growth mindset invites scale. When you think bigger, you explore bigger possibilities. Expansion increases collaboration. Larger visions attract stronger partnerships. Comfort zones shrink opportunity. Expansion thinking breaks invisible limits. Can emotional rewiring reshape your belief system about success? Beliefs are emotional programs. Change the emotional pattern and beliefs shift. Confidence grows from repeated positive experiences. Emotional rewiring reinforces success patterns. New beliefs create new behaviors. Behaviors change is the bridge to different results. Are hidden opportunities waiting behind your current stuckness? Stuckness often signals a transition. It invites reflection before the next breakthrough. Constraints sharpen creativity. Limited resources can produce innovative solutions. Pause reveals pattern. When you step back, new possibilities become visible. What changes when Revitalex becomes your daily compass? Decisions become aligned with purpose. Actions follow a consistent internal framework. Inner clarity reduces confusion. Each step becomes instead of reacting. What strategy might appear when your mind becomes curious again? Curiosity opens creative thinking. Questions lead to innovative solutions. A curious mind connects ideas. Unexpected insights appear when exploration begins. Curiosity dissolves fear. Instead of worrying about failure, you focus on love.